Hello friends. Today we'll learn how we can find the biggest fraction out of two fractions and even more. This method is called the X method and we'll shortly learn it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A quick intro and we'll begin. Here's an example of simple fractions. What's bigger, 4/7 or 5/6? Some of you might know the answer already from an intuition. But the safe way to do it is with the X method. What's the X method? Let's do it like this. We look at the numerator and the denominator diagonally. We'll do 7 against 5 and 6 against 4 with a multiplication operation. 7 times 5 equals 35. And on the other hand, 6 times 4 equals 24. Now what's left is to compare the two answers. 35 is for sure bigger than 24, therefore, the larger fraction is 5/6. Easy, right? Let's have a look at another question, but not a simple fraction this time. We'll do improper fractions. In front of us are two improper fractions, 7/3 and 9/6. Which one is bigger? We'll do the same method, the X method. 3 against the 9, and 4 against the 7. And now we multiply. 3 times 9 equals 27. And 4 times 7, which will be 28. Now we need to ask ourselves which one's bigger, 28 or 27. The answer is simple. 7/3 is bigger than 9/4. Let's have a look at another question. But this time it'll be mixed numbers. For those who don't remember, a mixed number is a fraction that has both wholes and simple fraction. We're not dealing with certain operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In mixed numbers, the first step is to convert these fractions into improper fractions, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And that's the first thing we'll also do in this example. 2 and 4/7 as an improper fraction will be 2 times 7 plus 4, which will be 18/7. On the other hand, 3 and 3/5 as an improper fraction. 3 times 5 plus 3 will give us 18/5. Now we have to compare 18/7 to 18/5. If we'll do the X multiplication. 7 times 18 and 5 times 18. We can see without calculating that 18 times 7 will be bigger than 18 times 5. For those who want the final numbers, 18 times 7 equals 126, and 18 times 5 equals 90. 18/5 is the bigger fraction. And that's the method. Friends, when we go against any comparisons of fractions, if it's bigger, smaller and so on, we'll always use the numerator and denominator method rather than a mixed number. That was a small tip for a pleasant future. Have a blast.